What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, I think this company has the potential to give us BNGO-like returns. What if I told you that today I've stumbled across a penny stock that's a market leader in an emerging industry? Words like market leader and penny stock don't belong in the same sentence, which is why I think I may have discovered a huge winner here. I know it sounds like I'm hyping this stock up, but honestly, I'm really excited to show you my DD on this company. The company we're talking about today is Greenlane Renewables, ticker symbol GRN.V. Unfortunately, this company does trade on the TSX market, so it may be a bit difficult to get a hold of, but I think the effort you make today might pay you 20 times over. So let's start off with what this company actually does. Greenlane is a pioneer in the rapidly emerging renewable natural gas (RNG) market. As a leading global provider of biogas upgrading systems, we help waste producers, gas utilities, and project developers to do more with biogas, helping them turn a low-value product into a high-value, low-carbon, renewable resource. Greenlane's biogas upgrading systems are marketed and sold under our Greenlane Biogas brand. Our full system solutions remove impurities and separate carbon dioxide from biomethane in raw biogas to create clean RNG for pipeline injection, liquefaction, or direct use as a vehicle fuel. Now, renewable energy is the future and it's pretty obvious where the world is heading, so it makes sense to find undervalued companies that stand to gain the most in this sector, and I feel like Greenlane Renewables is that company. So now I want to dig a little deeper and share some key highlights from their investor presentation. So they're saying that the world is decarbonizing, which I totally agree with, and there is no denying that RNG is rapidly shifting from niche to mainstream drop-in substitute for natural gas. And the fact that they're claiming to be the market leader in this hot sector is very intriguing. In essence, they are a provider of biogas upgrading systems, and these systems produce clean, low-carbon RNG from organic waste sources such as landfills, wastewater treatment plants, dairy and hog farms, and food waste. Next, let me share with you some key considerations that they've outlined here. Strong intellectual property comprised of patents and trade secrets. According to them, they're the only company that offers all three main biogas upgrade technologies. This could potentially be the moat that we like to find in up-and-coming companies. And this is just staggering. The market opportunity for the equipment sales is estimated to be over 90 billion. This company's market cap is currently about 300 million, so the potential upside is huge. And we all know about the significant market drivers, which is that the demand from governments, utilities, corporations, and consumers for low-carbon energy is on the rise. And then you have the likes of Shell, BP, Total, and Chevron all saying that they plan on shifting to biogas and RNG in order to reach net zero carbon in the future. And this is why they're the global leader in biogas upgrading. They've delivered 110 systems globally in 18 different countries. They were the first one to deliver biogas upgrading systems in 11 countries. And they've completed the largest project in the world. These are all really impressive highlights. Now, let's take a look at their financials. Look at that revenue growth in 2020. They've done remarkably well even during a worldwide pandemic. Revenues are increasing every quarter. Their sales pipeline and backlog growth are really impressive. Sales order backlog basically refers to the balance of unrecognized revenue from contracted upgrader projects, where such revenue is recognized over time, typically over 9 to 18 months from contract start, as completion of the project progresses. So they had about 43.8 million of unrecognized revenue in Q3 2020, which is incredible. The sales pipeline figures are basically like leads that could convert into actual orders down the line. And the sales pipeline, as you can see, is also growing, which indicates the overall interest in the market towards RNG. Another thing that I love about this company is that insiders have been buying shares like crazy over the past 6 months. Just look at all this buying. These are all company directors and Brad over here is the CEO. So this much insider buying is a really positive sign. One final thing to look at is their balance sheet, and as you can see, their debt to equity ratio is at 31.6%. This is considered satisfactory. Greenlane Renewables also has sufficient cash runway for more than a year based on its current free cash flow. Right, so now what am I doing? Well, I simply love the risk to reward ratio on this company and I'll be buying on the dips. My position size on this company is going to be between 5 to 10% of my entire portfolio. Right, that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.